Hi, this is Jill Schultz from the Historical Society. Welcome to Part 2 of Carroll's 19th Century Industries. The Cold Spring Dairy, Ziles Ice Cream, Wakefield Valley, H.E. Coons, and Lenz Brothers are some of the county dairies which produced 1.2 million pounds of butter and cheese in 1890. Grist mills operated in the county as early as the 1700s. By 1840, there were 136 mills in Carroll. Oliver Evans and the Shriver family had the first fully automated mill, which produced 300 bushels of grain per hour. The Melville Woolen Mill became the Oakland Mill, which operated into the 1940s. Tobacco was produced in Winfield, Watersville, Woodbine, and Mount Airy. It was turned into cigars in our cigar factories, like the Carroll Cigar in Hampstead and Wance in Westminster. Production of wormseed began in the 1840s. The oil cured ringworm and tapeworm in animals. It was also rubbed on the wooden hulls of ships to prevent worm rot. A 15-mile long by 4-mile wide path consisting of about 40 acres from Westminster to Woodbine produced as much as 4,000 pounds of oil. Carroll County was a leading producer of this oil in the country. It was a labor-intensive crop, and the children missed school during harvest time. Eventually, synthetic oil replaced wormseed oil, and the crop went out of production. Due to Carroll's extensive agriculture, by the 1880s, canneries were located everywhere in the county. They employed over 200 men, women, and children seasonally. Employees worked 8 to 9 hour shifts and half an hour food break. Canneries shipped over 100,000 canned goods a year. Shriver Canning was founded in 1869 and closed in 1969. By the 1950s and 60s, foreign competition and the end of the World Wars led to the decline of county canneries, and mechanization changed the need for many employees. Taylor Manufacturing Company on Court Street produced steam locomotives and employed approximately 100 people in the late 1800s. Notice the fire barrels on the roof. Other manufacturers included the W.T. Hoe Company of Tawnytown and the Manchester Foundry and Machine Works. These manufacturers were producing plows, hay rakes, horse plows, stoves, iron railings, threshing machines, and corn shellers. Steam power had come to the farm, increasing production. In 1890, there were 180 industrial establishments employing 785 people. In 1919, there were 135 industrial establishments employing 1,418 people. This concludes Part 2. Stay tuned for Part 3.